Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video, I want you to imagine something. Imagine you have a customer and they ask you to call them back later on. So you say, sure, no problem. May I have your number? And the number starts with 0915. So do you know which network that is or not? And if you don't, no worries. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find it with CouponBet in a matter of seconds. So to search that, first go to CouponBet, just log in on CouponBet, and then you're on the dashboard, and then you click here on the Tools. In the Tools tab, you have all the tools that are right now available in CouponBet, and if you just scroll down to the bottom, here to the bottom, you can see here the Provider Prefix Checker. In here, we can find any telecom provider depending on their prefix. So let's type in here 0915, and there you are. This is a globe number. And that's how you can figure out very quickly, and CouponBet is really designed to help you organize your travel agency and to structure your business in a far more efficient way so you can serve your customers better. So if you like CouponBet and you like this tool, just go to couponbet.com and register right away.